Hello and welcome to Sea Smoke today. Okay, this evening is dinner time, and tonight we're going to make steak quesadillas, which we've already made a video for that, so we're going to link it somewhere up here where y'all can see it again if you want. But I'm going to make some Pico De Gallo, some homemade one, to go with my quesadillas for tonight. So I'm going to show you how to do that in just a moment. But we thought we'd try something new. We're going to do a trivia question, and you can leave your answers in the comments, and then when we post our next video, we'll give you the answer to the question. So we'll see how many people get it right. Okay, and our first question of trivia is going to be, and it's going to be a food question because, hey, we're doing food. Alright, the first question is going to be, what is the most eaten food ever? Ever is going to be the question. So y'all leave your answers in the comments, and then when we post our next video, we'll give you the answer to it. But we'll see how many everybody gets it right. Alright everybody, now I'm going to make the pico. It's really easy to do. I got some Roma tomatoes to make mine with, but I'm pretty sure you can use just about any kind of tomatoes you want. And I have my cilantro here, and I have some red onion. But I mean, I'm sure you can use red onion, yellow onion, whatever you like to use. And you know, that's what I say, use it. Because you know me, I like you to use whatever you have at home and whatever you like to eat, because what do I always say? You're the one that's eating it. Okay, so I'm going to cut these up. And not cut myself. Look there. Lord have mercy. I'm glad I'm not a surgeon, because if I had a cut straight, help it. And yes, I don't have no professional chef cutting skills. I wish I could say I do, but I don't. But I get the job done. I still have all my digits. That's the most important part. But you know, my daughter gave me a pretty crafty knife here.
You need a better knife?
Yeah, because I'm having to saw with this one, because this is actually a paring knife. I think it's that'll do a little better. Even though this is a steak knife, but I'm just saying for all those, you know, chefs out there. Nah, I'll just use this one. That, yes, I know I'm not using the right cutting utensil. But like I said, as long as I'm getting the job done and I still have all my digits, we're good. So as they say, slice sticks and dices is what I'm doing. Oh, wrong thing. I'm putting it in this one. Forgot what bowl I was going to use. And don't forget, everybody, wash your hands before you get started. Alright. I'm getting tomato juice everywhere. Alright, now I just have 2 Roma tomatoes that I'm just, you know, cutting up. Ooh, that one's really juicy. It's making all kinds of squishy noises. And I'm just cutting them in little sticks. I can cut them in little dices. Well, I'm trying not to... Ooh, this one's a little overripe. It's like squishing everywhere. Ooh, you're a bad tomato. I want to play right. I know, because this is so interesting watching me cut a tomato in it. Alright, let me see if I can get some of this in here without making a big old mess, because I got like tomato juice going everywhere here. Alright, so now we got some tomatoes in there. And I believe I got all this onion already cut up that I was, sometimes I like to go ahead and just cut my onion up into, little bits just so I can have some. Yes, I might be crazy. I am, yes, literally taking this out of 4 Ziploc bags. But I'm one of them ladies that does not like my refrigerator. Man, I'm wearing tomato now too. That I don't like my refrigerator to smell like onions. So yes, I have it in 4 Ziploc bags to keep my butter and everything not tasting like onion. Because I cut up my onion and put it in there. Alright, and like I said, I do have my purple onion already all cut up. So I'm going to go ahead and put that in my bowl. And yes, hey, if anybody else has got any better ideas of how I can store my onion in the refrigerator and it not make everything in my refrigerator smell like onion or taste like onion, I would appreciate the help. So if you want to leave me a comment for that, that would be greatly appreciated. I give you a serious thumbs up for that one. Alright, and I got tomatoes and onions in there, so I'm going to shake that up just a little bit.
Shake it up, shake it up.
Just so I can mix my onion and tomatoes together and they're not in 2 separate piles in there. And let me clean some of this tomato up here. Tomato juice I got here. Alright, now I'm going to cut up some cilantro. And you can normally get it in your local grocery store, fresh ones like this, and little bushels. They're normally no more than like 99 cents, maybe $1 or something. So, but they don't cost much to get some fresh ones. So I'm going to cut some of this up to use. And I like using the fresh cilantro a little bit better than using the dried or anything. So, but if you got dry, you can use dry if you want. And boy, you can smell it. And just put as much cilantro as you like in there too. Because it is strong. It's very strong smelling. It's kind of a strong taste too, so do what you like, because we like doing what we like. Alright, so I'm going to stick this in here too. A little cut up cilantro I got. Now you can add jalapenos or hot peppers to this if you want. I don't have any jalapenos on hand or anything. Sorry, I'm pretty sure I said that wrong too. I'm sure somebody's going to be mad about how I said jalapeno or however you want to call it. Anyway, we're not going to do a great debate on that right now, but alright, so that should be enough cilantro. So I'm going to put this back in here. And I'll tell you another good one. Take cilantro and some avocados and some ranch powder and buzz it through your food processor or your blender and make some homemade ranch and cilantro avocado dressing. Yeah, that makes good stuff. Okay, and I'm going to put a splash of lemon juice in this too.
Sorry, I didn't understand.
Okay, Google decided to answer me, but I didn't need to be answered, but okay. Okay, and that is all I'm putting in my pico. So I'm just mixing it up a little bit in here too. And now all I got to do, like I said, if you want to, you can put some peppers in here and make it hot. I just didn't do that. Okay, my cilantro is definitely not wanting to get down in my stuff though. Okay, I do got this all mixed up now. Only other thing I got left to do is just refrigerate it for a little while, and then you can take it out and eat it on your quesadillas like I'm gonna do, or tacos, or eat them with chips, or whatever you like. Okay guys, don't forget to refrigerate your pico. I'm sure maybe if you keep an eye on it or anything, maybe it'll last a week or so, as long as you keep it in an air-tight container, you know, in there. But I hope this was easy to do, and I hope you enjoyed it. And we'll get a new video out soon. And don't forget, leave your comments for the trivia question and everything in the next video. It may even be this one. We'll let you know what the answer is. And y'all have a good night and enjoy cooking.
What is the most eaten food ever? The answer is rice. Rice is a food, staple for more than 3.5 billion people around the world, particularly in Asia, Latin America, and in parts of Africa. Rice has been cultivated in Asia for thousands of years. Scientists believe people first domesticated rice in India or South Asia. Okay, well,